Hi everyone, today I'll be giving you tips on finding the best real estate agent, and if you're a first-time seller, this video is for you. I'm Kristin Stampini. Now let's get started. Many sellers and even more buyers choose a real estate agent who is a friend of a relative, and in some cases this might not be the smartest move. There may be another agent with better knowledge of your area or has a stellar track record for selling homes in a short period of time for the most amount of money. For starters, you'll want to find the agent who knows your area. Make agents compete for your listing. Note the names on the neighborhood and the for sale signs that other people are selling, and also any direct mail that you receive. Once you've received and compiled a list of 3 or 4 agents, so agents who are doing great business, then Google them. Check their online presence. Their online presence is so important, especially these days, because 95+% of all buyers search for homes on the internet. And beware of the agent that gushes about how fast they can get your home sold, and they promise you high prices than other homes in the neighborhood. Ask the agents to compare the original and sales price and what they've sold recently, and how long did it take them? How many days on market was it? And actually, how much did they sell it for? So if they listed it for $300,000, did they sell it for $250,000? Okay, so are they overpricing homes just to get the listing? That's so important. You got to make sure that you're looking at their different comparables, that they have a great listing presentation. What kind of marketing are they going to do? What kind of online omnipresence are they going to do for your home? Ask each agent how many transactions that they've done in the last 12 months, and their answer should be at least a minimum of 1 sales per month on the listing side alone. How will agents market your home? The average agent here in South Florida only sells about 2 homes a year. Don't go with an agent that actually can't sell your home on your terms for the highest amount of money. So you really got to look into all of these things before picking the right agent for you. How's the photography? Are they going to do drone if your home is good for a drone? What kind of marketing are they going to do for pictures? Okay, what kind of websites do they have? Ask them to see, do they have a list of buyers that actually are ready and could be available to buy your home? Good agents usually have a whole list of buyers that they have that are looking for homes currently, and your home actually might even be sold before you put it on the market with the right agent. Who generates the most leads? You can really tell when you're asking the right questions who the right agent is going to be, and it might not always be a friend, a relative, or a referral that's just going to maybe talk to you about, they're not going to give you an actual listing presentation. Ask them potentially what they have going in the area. What do they have currently on the market? So those are such important questions. We have a list of about 20 questions, and if you'd like that list, just reach out to us and we'd be happy to share it with you. It's important that you ask agents the right questions to find the right person to sell your home. If you'd like this, if you like more videos like this, please subscribe. Ask me questions, sign up for my YouTube channel. We'd appreciate it. And don't forget, hit on the bell icon so you'll get upcoming notifications of future videos. Thanks.